how to add a bank account on Stripe. So if you want to add a bank account on your Stripe, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your browser, and on your browser you need to search for Stripe and go with stripe.com. Once you're on your stripe.com, you will have your dashboard like this. Make sure that you've logged into your account with the right credentials, and once you're on your dashboard, you need to go with the settings icon, which will be in the top right. In the account settings, you can see business right here. You need to just simply click on it and then go with the bank account and currencies option. But here you can add a bank account. But before that, make sure to manage the currencies. Choose the right currency. So in my case, the default is USD. You can just simply go with the currency and add another currency if you want to. After that, you can click add a bank account, which will be on the right side, and then fill up your information. And then you're good to go. But if it asks you for the verification, you can just simply go with send verification, and it will send a verification link to your email address and verify your account. And after verifying, you'll be able to add a bank account. In this way, you'll be able to add a bank account on your Stripe. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.